even what I was talking about. I was like, they're like, you took a trade of this, and I'm like, that's not what it is. So I didn't even answer them
Jesus.
because I remember I was messaging about the fact that there's $6,000 drawdown in the account, and they were talking about fees on a singular trade. Like that's not even in the same ballpark.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
You know who loves it is my phone, because like I called my wife and it was like way early, and then the phone dialed again and I looked and it said Duane, and I'm like, wait a second.
Good morning, Good morning, market makers with the Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, Legacy, and good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. We're going to try making some more money today. Let's just take what the market gives us. And okay. How soon can you request a payout? If you were you on the daily or the flex side with the select account? Actually, let me check my audio levels as well. Good morning, Rob. Okay, so you only have to trade the account for 5 days. There's no profit target. So you'll be able to request the account on your 5th day of you trading it, as long as you hit like your minimum. Nice. So literally today, I would say log into your account around like 5:30 p.m. Between 5:30 and 6, that's when they update their dashboard. So when they update it, it will go green, your account, and you can click request. Congrats, bro. If you already did all the consistency, everything like that, do not trade it. Since you trade the agent session, do not trade that account today until you get your payout.
Yeah, no reason to put.
And that's real. Don't risk your payout, bro. Good morning, time. All right, yeah, audio sounding crispy. Yeah, there's no reason to risk it. No reason to risk it. And that's real. I've done that before. It's not worth it. Good morning, Rhonda. Yep, so honestly, just either trade on a different account, maybe a sim account just to practice today, but do not execute trades on the account that you're taking the payout on until you see that money get pulled from your account. Then you can trade it. A morning old. Hey, that's only for the trader hangouts, bro. I'm not an old man on these morning ones. You know what I'm saying?
You're old, man.
I'm a young man on the morning streams. I'm an old man at night because I'm ready for bed. For everyone that's been using the code LWS, next time you use the code LWS with Tradeify, if you could take a screenshot with your phone and like send it to me in the community or on like IG. They just synced my affiliate. So for almost 6-7 months, the affiliate code hasn't been working on my end, but it's been working on y'all's end. So I'm trying to get everything set up with them, making sure everything's synced. So if you guys do make a purchase, let me know of an account, so that way I can double check my separate dashboard with Tradeify to confirm that it's working. Because yeah, trying to get that situated. Trying to get that situated. All right, let's look at the market real quick here. We're currently below the 21 EMA. 21 EMA on the 2-minute 99750. We have this pivot point right below us, 951.50. Where's our VWAP? VWAP sitting up there at 25,085.50. Close from yesterday. 25,138. 25,138. Overnight high 25,249.75 for the overnight high. Yesterday's high, 25,217.50. Good morning, Lucas. Good morning, everybody. Morning, folks. Everybody.
Your tent.
Honestly, we've been printing bear flags. And that I would have to see us start printing bull flags for me to want to start trying to take long. Honestly, don't care if we go up or down. I'm just in one of my accounts, which is so just to show you that I experienced the same things like you guys, right? So yesterday, I thought I passed one of my accounts with Tradeify to get funded. I hit the profit target. I did the days in the eval, everything like that. Tell me how I was 0.2% over the 40% consistency. So I literally have to make like
$12 or something.
I'm just going to put in a solid like 20, 25 bucks today in this account, just so that way with the fees, I don't have to think about it.
And that, that what drives me crazy, that is the worst. Like when you're right there and it's like that $5, that $15, it's just like, come on.
So because last night I rolled into my Tradeify dashboard, I go activate it, like let's activate, and I didn't see it. It wasn't green. I'm like scratching my head. I'm like, what's going on here? I put enough money and everything. It was a consistent 0.2% over. 0.2.
Hey there, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, you can, Tonio. You'd be trading through Tradeivate on your phone. Listen, I'm sharing that experience to let you guys know it happens to me too. It happens to all of us. So it's not just you. So next time you're like, dang it, I thought I passed. Just remember, sometimes it happens to me too. I need to make less than 20 bucks to pass the account. But I'm gonna just put like 20, 25 bucks in just to play it safe and call it a day. Can you copy trade on your phone with Ninja? I'm sure you can if you're using the web-based side. Lucas, I've never tried Ninja on iPad. But honestly, I would use like a tablet, not an iPad. Like one like the Microsoft tablet. If you're trying to use Ninja and trade. You use the app? Okay. I've never tried copy trading on other devices, except you could do, I know, pretty clean on Tradeivate using the web base.
Oh, so you're using the web base, you're not using the Tradeivate app.
Yeah, so I use the web base while I'm trading on Tradeivate. I did get my eggs, and honestly, I kind of feel like I overate last night. Woke up kind of like sluggish this morning. It was either that or I just stayed up too late. One of the two. What are your settings on your candle? So I have what you're looking at right now. That's the 2-minute chart. The 5-minute and Renko bars. The Renko bars, that's not a time frame. That's moves on price action. You gotta I use the web base, Lucas. I use the web base for Tradeivate. So I don't know what the app looks like. We got less than 2 minutes, a minute coming up for market open, here. So get ready. Grab a beer or sparkling water, whatever you drink. Let's get ready to make some money today.
We haven't been drinking any water lately.
I got water.
I didn't see the bougie glass bottle. I'm sorry.
Listen, I wish they had gallon jugs in glass. Wish they had gallon jugs in glass. Because once you start drinking out of glass bottles, when you drink out of plastic bottles, you're like, ugh. Because you can like taste the plastic.
Yeah, so I always drink out of glass when I can.
Smart man, smart man. Viv 50 pullbacks on ES. No thoughts on ES. I've never looked at ES, Lucas. I'm sorry.
Do you even know what it is? No, I'm just kidding.
Market's open. Market's open.
Whoa, look at that. It's moving.
Nice, Warrior. I would do that, but it kind of defeats the purpose if it wasn't bottled in glass. Because if you're transferring from a plastic bottle into a glass bottle, it already has the plastic. I'm a water drinker, you know what I'm saying? Like, we got this VWAP above us. That looks like we're running to 25,081.75. Let's see what we get. Wait until 9:45. Wait until 9:45. I really need to make my 20 grand in payouts this month so I could reserve the villa in Portugal in July. So I told myself when we make the 20 grand this month in payouts, I'll probably just spend it on the villa. So that way I don't have to think about that come July. Well, Tonya, I'm glad you feel like my streams are relatable. And you feel that way because I'm not here trying to preach swinging for the fence. It's simple base hits each and every day. Each and every day base hits. So that way you could get consistent payouts and consistent results. Well, I watched yesterday one of the YouTube traders as well. He pushed out a video. He spent last month $5,000 on accounts. That's crazy. And mind you, he only profited for the month of February only 8 grand off $5,000. I spent less than $200 in February because I had other accounts already, of course, but we took out 7,500.
Well, I mean, that other, not to criticize, but that other guy just has like the war chest. So it's like if he screws up, he just buys another. But that's sloppy trading, man.
And that's my whole thing. I'm like, that's not base hitting right there. That's someone swinging for the fence, hoping it sticks.
Yeah.
Kane, you'll need to use OBS. You'll need to use OBS. Come on, Bessie. I'm trying to make $20. Literally, I'm trying to make $20 in an account. Like, this is craziness. I just need to pull the trigger. I want to get an actual PC build or something like that for my trading setup for up here, because right now I'm streaming from my MacBook over here. Then I have my trading computer that you guys are watching the charts on as well, because they're laptops, because I travel a lot. But I want to put in my office right here 2 vertical screens, 1 center screen, and maybe a top screen.
And then a VR headset.
No VR headset.
Oh, come on. Don't be a chicken.
I'm not being a chicken, but I would say that setup will give me so much more information than what I'm currently getting, because right now, literally, I have one 2-minute chart pulled up over here. Then I have my other 2-minute, the chart that you guys can see on my other screen, and that's it. So I'm not looking at what ES and all them are doing if they're like dropping, so Nasdaq may drop. Nada. Want to work on my efficiency. So a couple more screens, I feel like would help me with being more efficient. Potentially. Or I may hate it and go back to the laptop. What's up, Kenneth? Welcome, bro. Smooth, sorry to hear that, bro. Smooth, I'll have to check that out. I'm not big on indicators, so I didn't even know that was a thing. Thank you, though.
What was he talking about?
Lux Algo has an indicator on TradingView instead of having to have ES open.
I'm the executioner, by the way.
I know you're the executioner, and you're going to execute today.
I'm on track to get that payout this week. Like I said, I want to take one payout a week out of my personal accounts.
Awesome. Get it, base hits. That's it. We're currently above this VWAP. Next thing that we may go up to take out would be the close from yesterday, 25,138. 25,138. I'm sitting on my hands right now, literally. You guys can't even see my hands.
Yeah, we don't want to see your hands if you're sitting on them. That's kind of weird.
That's kind of weird. But definitely VWAP, volume weighted average price. But the villa is gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice.
Right.
Like Brenda's sister's trying to get a like a little bit cheaper one. But I'm like, listen, if we're gonna be in Portugal for like 3 weeks, I want to be able to stream in comfort.
Yeah, it's like, you know, I mean, you're going out there to enjoy it. You're not staying at the local, Motel 6.
And I'll just say it's a business expense, so I can write it off anyways. The villa's 13 grand for the time we would be out there. But it's over, like you can see the water from the villa. It's on a hilltop.
You can see the water, but what you don't tell anybody is it's just the garden hose that's dripping in the backyard. So.
It'll be Brenda holding the hose. I'm like, guys, look at the water. For 13 grand, I better be able to see the ocean. That's all I know.
Yeah, there's a picture of it in the bathroom.
Hopefully we like maybe build a flag or something like that right around here, and it takes till 9:45 to actually finish.
He's like, I pray to Jesus that the flag will take 7 minutes exactly.
Hey, I wouldn't listen. I would not complain if it did take 7 minutes.
Father God, I ask that you remember that I want the flag to take 280 seconds. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus. Glad you learned something new, bro. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna go up there and take out that clothes from yesterday. Then honestly, like I said, I don't care if we go up or down today, as long as we got clean movement or decent movement. Because I'm gonna rotate through my Tradeify accounts, and then we're gonna switch over Apex and copy trade those accounts.
Well, it's like that's the thing that like people get most confused about. If I'm talking to them about this stuff, they're like, "Yo, the market was down today," because they'll see it on the news. How do you make money? It's like it doesn't matter as long as there's direction. And they're like, "What?"
Yeah, because people were taught wrong. People were taught wrong, sadly. I trade the Nasdaq every single day, Monday through Friday.
And then Saturday and Sunday are days, they're their weekends. So there's every single day but that.
Yeah, Monday through Friday we trade the Nasdaq. Then the weekends we trade nothing. Nice times, good job. All right, let's see who we got in here. We got G, we got Silky Silk, we got Carmona, we got Steve, we got Brad. Good morning, Legacy. Market makers. G, how you feeling today, bro? How you doing today?
I bet my man G has already made like 12,000. I mean, that's my rough guess.
Okay, well, he didn't respond. Never mind.
He
didn't want to talk to you anyway.
He's still in the trade.
Oh no, I wasn't even near the thing. My bad.
I'm messing, bro.
Me. I haven't started yet. I'm still watching. I'm
okay.
Following the rules.
Hey, good job. I know it's sometimes difficult to want to follow it, but it's there to help us. That's why I wait, sadly. Like, I see the big push up is, oh my gosh, look at the move I missed. But then I also realized, what if I took a short when it pushed up long? I would have lost money. So, tomato. It looks like we may try building something here, possibly. Let's see what we get.
It's like if there was somebody named Moose around, or Mooser as you call him. I think this might qualify as a start of a retracement.
Possibly. We still have some of that buying wick right there.
Yeah, I see that.
That'd be slightly hesitant right now just to go short.
Yeah, look, we have 4 more minutes and then probably 5 in all told. So let's just concentrate on doing what's right.
Let me get some more lines on the chart. You know what I'm saying? Today's a wild day. We're getting 2 lines a day, folks. 2 lines. Bulls look like they're trying to flip this to push, but we're going to see if they could get it. I wish it would wait for me. I wish the market would wait for me to be able to trade officially.
The market waits for no man, but it might wait for Duane.
But that's the whole thing. I'm not a man. I'm a market maker. Ah! Anyways. Forgive me, folks. Forgive me. I've been watching 60 Days In. I don't know why. I used to watch it like long time ago. Started watching the 9th season.
Is that a TV show?
Yeah, it's a TV show of regular folks that go into the jail to report back to like the sheriff to let him know what's going on.
Oh, so they pretend that they're like a criminal and then they're like doing intel.
Exactly.
And in like a lot of cases, even the jailers don't know who they are because they want to.
Yep, they don't know. That's the crazy part. What's up, Ule? Welcome, my brother from Indonesia. Appreciate you tuning in. Good evening to you, sir.
That better be some really good money at that point.
Oh, they don't get paid for it. It's free. Or maybe they do get paid. I'm not sure, but I will never be like, oh yeah, let me go on a TV show, go into a jail. That's not me.
No. I'd be like how much, like how tall in the 7 figures are we talking?
Like crazy. So we do got a lot of selling pressure up here. Right now we're waiting for a trade, bro. Ule, I'm doing great. Hopefully you're doing great as well. All right, we just lost that VWAP there. We're hanging it out around this VWAP, so let's see if we clear some of these buying wicks out. Maybe it'll start coming down here, but I'm trying to have patience. Got less than 2 minutes now.
You're doing pretty good on the patience.
I'm trying to, Steve. I'm trying to go and follow your footsteps.
And respect to G for that too, because it's hard.
Like my legs are shaking right now because I'm ready to trade. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Well, for me, as you know, like I said before, I'll do some stuff in the Asian session, like to set it and forget it.
Yeah.
That kind of scratches that itch just enough, where I don't feel like, oh, I gotta get my first trade. You know what I mean? So
I feel that. Yeah. So lots of selling pressure here. The bulls, they're not really stepping in, so get another line off this chart. Maybe we push up just slightly, build out a small little bear flag.
that'd be nice.
There's 945. Now I'm just waiting until 946 to execute trades. So this range will be fully completed.
Is it gonna try to break out the orb, set a new low before 946?
Right now, the high of the orb, the high is 125.25. 125.25. Just tapped that 21 EMA. Buyer stepped in on that 21 there.
Right now for the low, do you have it at 24,986
Let's see here.
or thereabouts?
Yeah, mine's 985.50. 985.50 on mine.
Okay. That's cool.
So literally right there.
And before I was on ES, so that's why I was like, on ES, it's definitely getting closer to the orb.
Okay. Yeah, right now we're sandwiched in between the VWAP and the 21 EMA. Let's see if we get a little pop up here. Build out a little flag. Potential bear flag, possibly. Move that line up just in case we trend upwards. What I'll be looking for. All right, 946. Well, it's 947 now, but yeah, I'm officially clear to trade. So let's see if we get a good move. Coming back up to this VWAP. There's the VWAP tab. Try to be careful, is try to be careful. All right, we're breaking out my yellow line here. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Hit some of that selling pressure up here. At times because you're putting more pressure on yourself, bro. There we go. Well, that account, I got 240. I was only shooting for $20. And I just realized I did not size down. So thank God that went my way.
I was like, that's a one time that you could actually use a micro instead. He's like, go for it.
That was not intentional. I totally forgot to size down.
He's like, watch this.
So that account's funded. Let me rotate. Which one do I want? I want that one now. So we popped out of that 15-minute range, instantly came right back down with the selling pressure. Let's see what we get here. Let's see if I could try getting another account funded today as well. I've been using this week to get all 5 accounts funded with Tradeify again. Bro, respectfully, I appreciate you. All right. Just had a bull flag print on the 2-minute again, but I don't like the selling pressure. I do not like the selling pressure up there.
You wanted to clear some wicks, right?
Yeah, I want to clear this wick because that was a strong rejection. Once we popped back down, popped above the 15-minute range there. So I'm not trying to get caught in that.
No, you don't want to trade into a wick. The words of wisdom, Papa Duane.
Just tap the high of the 15-minute range right there. There we go. Just clear that wick as well. Getting ready to clear out the close from yesterday. Also 138. 138 is the close from yesterday. Let's see if we get some follow through here. $200 on that trade right there. Just base hitting. I may come back to this account later to put some more in it, but I'm just base hitting. So the way I trade my evals now, before I would push them pretty hard to just get them passed fast. Where now, since with Tradeify select accounts, you have to trade it for 3 days minimum. Where now I'm just base hitting it. Even if it takes me a full 5 days to get it passed, I'd rather that. So that way where I switch over to the funded stage, I'm doing the same exact thing. So I'm getting extra reps on the evals these days. So that way in the funded, it's completely the same. So I never feel like, oh, I'm in a funded, let me not take this and all that.
Yeah.
Let's see if we build a flag up here now.
A flaggy flag.
Because we did not have a selling wick on that previous candle. So as long as we don't come, yeah, we would have to stay like right there for the most part. Let's get above that 138. I want to get above 138 for a potential long. $100K account was down 1K, now up over 1K. If you put in $1,000 after you lost 1,000, you'd be back to break even. But if you cleaned it up and then added $1,000 on top of it, your trailing drawdown should go back to the 4,000. Let's see if we get this flag here. Want to see some momentum? That 5 minutes showing that selling wick. So you're up 2K. Okay, so you'll still have the $4,000 drawdown since you fixed it. Come on, there's 138. I want to get above 138 with momentum to take a trade.
Yeah, momentum.
$19525 would be my target. I did not. Oh, I just got tagged in after the fact. Let's see if the Bulls could keep pushing up. If not, I'm gonna close this since I got tagged in, not where I want to get tagged in at.
Five minutes till 10 o'clock.
Thank you, G. Let's see if we get the push coming up here. If not, I'm gonna get out of this one. Feel like we're gonna push, but I need these Bulls to step in pretty strong. So close that one, $300 right there. What's up, John? My soul brother. Let's rotate to the next one. 5, 8, 9.
Come on, Bessie.
For real. 170 on that. I'll close out, even though it kept going. Do you have a class that teach day trading, sir? In my community, if you do like the builders plan or up, we have videos, and I do classes as well on my strategy. So that was that account. That account was traded this one. Let's rotate to this one as well. Nightbot should post it here momentarily, bro. So just stay on the stream. Nightbot will post it.
Nightbot is just a freak.
There's the link right there. There's the link right there that you can click to join the community.
Tell Duane where you're from.
You have to be on one of the paid tiers to get my strategy, everything like that. And that's the lowest tier is $20. For all those people that say, oh, he's not a man of the people, $20 for a strategy that prints money each and every day. Just saying. Just freaking saying. Let's move my line up. Let's see what we get here. That was a small little flag potentially right there. Super small. I mean, super small.
Yeah. A squinty flag.
Good morning, BP. Bro, tomorrow, well, not tomorrow, Saturday, I'm gonna see you, bro. Tomorrow, the morning stream will be slightly different because I will be streaming from the airport. I will be streaming from the airport.
Your longtime homies know what that's like.
Well, hopefully it's better than when I was in Canada, so.
I want to go see the top of a mountain. It's closed. I want to go see the lake. Sorry, it's closed. I want to eat. Are you kidding us?
Are you kidding us? Yeah, that was hilarious. It's like, yeah, you can't do that. Oh, yeah, you got to ski to it. You don't got skis. You can't go. Okay. What can we do? That's the question.
There's a bear flag starting to. Oh,
Yeah, I kind of pre-ran it. Not gonna lie to you. But I may just close this. Keep it.
On my ES chart, it's a little more defined, but it's still not complete.
Yeah.
It's bumping in and out of it.
Don't like how it stopped like that on the Renkos. Bulls are trying to step in right here. And then it drops a little bit. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable.
Hey, listen, frickin' is like a cuss word in certain countries, all right?
My bad. Not trying to disrespect anybody. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 accounts right there. Traded. Then there's this other one that I'm gonna switch to. 339. So I feel like this is a bull flag. Well, I don't want this being a baby bear flag.
Little baby bear.
Yeah. Sometimes those cubs get you. Sometimes those cubs can still harm you.
A cub flag.
But we do have a little bit of buying pressure. That's why I'm like, I gotta see.
It needs to figure out what it's doing. And on the ES chart, it's like right around the VWAP.
Okay.
I mean, it's like right on it there. So I just have that one that's still open for my overnight stuff. So kind of an interesting reference to see.
Well, took a stab at it. I was forcing that one, but I'm gonna switch over to my Apex accounts. That was a select account. I'm like, you know what? Let me just take one swing, and then it wants to dump. So, gotta love it. We'll do 157. All right, so this one I'm copy trading 2 accounts with Apex. Well, yeah, this is actually 3 accounts total being traded here.
I like how you like accidentally traded 3 accounts and like all of them had a different price. I mean, 270, 340 is like what?
Well, hopefully I think I got it dialed in a little bit better now. Let's see. We came right back down to this 15-minute range. We're sitting right above it right now. If we break into, I may take a quick short down to the 21 EMA. Sorry to hear that, Rob.
Well, that was some funk there just a second ago. Like Rick James. It's like
we got that buying wick, but I'm like still like with how the bears pushed it down. Looking like a bull flag on the 5-minute. If we clear this candle's selling wick, maybe a long, but there's that selling pressure stepping in right there again. So
oh yeah, it's amazing. And you know, it's about time. I've done this a while, but I just want to say how grateful that you know, I speak for myself, but some other people too. You know what I mean? How grateful we are for you to have this community and this support.
I appreciate that. See, I'm grateful for you guys that show up each and every day to learn this with me, because I'm still learning and growing just like you guys.
No, that's you know, that's part of it. That's what it like really pays for me, is seeing that you're like you know you're true to your core in terms of your trading system, but the fact that you're not just like, you know, photoshopping your picture and photoshopping your charts and say, oh, it's like, you know, you'll be like, look, you know, it's like I've made some mistakes and I still make mistakes, but I'm working on it. I'm trying new things. It's like,
yeah,
it's not just like buy my course because this is the only way to trade. It's like, you know, this I'm taking that core and I'm learning nuance.
like for me, I'm trading live, so you can't Photoshop live. If you see me win, you see me win. If you see me lose, you see me lose. You can't fake live. And I'm learning in real time each and every day with you guys.
And then, you know, I don't know who you were talking about before, you know, with like the trader you were watching where it's like, you know, they spent $5,000 to make 8. Well, you might get lucky doing that, just like throwing cash at things, but you know, if the market doesn't go your way, your margin for error can wipe you out.
Yeah.
So it's just like you were saying, you know, for your investment and what you're bringing out of it is huge.
Base hits, like.
Well, base hits, but also like there's a consistency there, because you know if somebody just has deep enough pockets, they can go crazy. You know, and then just post the result. Look, but
Yeah, so he made a total of the month $13,000, but after the $5,000 in expenses of buying evals and activating fundeds, all that, he ended up with like just a little bit over like 8,000 some change. Like that's not a good return on off $5,000.
Well, the thing, I mean, and not to criticize anybody, but I'm just saying, for me, it seems like if you're that close to the, you know, it's like that's not acing it. That's kind of like, you know, like I say, if you're off a couple of days, you know, it's just that's not steady enough. You know what I mean? That's not consistent.
Let's clear this candle wick, and then maybe I'll be looking like this is a nice bull flag, but I want to get above that selling pressure.
Where do you want to get up to, like 180 or something?
We just crossed over one of the wicks. I want to cross over this other wick as well. Yeah, I may front run this, possibly, only if we have some decent momentum. Because looking at that 5 minute, that's looking like a bull flag on the 5.
Come on, do something. Come on, Bessie. Come on.
Come on, girl. That's a hard rejection right there. I don't like that. Let's see if we get it on this one. If it rejects like how it just did, I'll close this. Ah, that's annoying. There's $1,000 stop limit, just like Tradeify's growth accounts.
Yes.
But I thought there wasn't on the end of day. I'm gonna have to look at their new rule. That's annoying.
Which firm were you trading with?
That was Apex.
What's up?
What's up,
Hey, there he
BP?
is. Right on. How are you doing, his bad self?
I'm doing okay.
His bad self.
No, Double Dynamite is in the chat.
Double Dynamite. That's awesome.
Where is it going, baby? Give us your feelings.
So if I was here earlier, I would have told you all that. I would have wanted to see London. I could take it.
Hey, maybe turn it up from lounge voice. It sounds like you're doing a romantic song. Speak up.
All right, I got to get closer.
There we go.
There it is.
All right, I was gonna say, if I was here earlier, I would have told you all that. I would have wanted to see us like go for like London High, but we've already taken London High on the NQ. So I guess I'm just waiting to see what happens next.
Right now, I feel like we're chopping.
Yeah, it definitely looks like we're inside of this range that we set from Asia.
Well, we just went through the 21 EMA right there as well.
I was just gonna say we didn't get any like strong candle closures like outside of Asia, so we are definitely just sitting inside of a range.
Well, I'm looking. We got this VWAP right below us here
I'm looking.
at 94. We may get down there.
The EMA is right there too, right?
Yeah, above us.
It says we have a 5-minute S&P, but I don't know if it's gonna deliver. I feel like I want to see price try to come below like 848. I mean, that's for the for NQ, I'd want it to be like 25.057 as like a confirmed candle closure.
Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get, folks.
We get what we get. We don't throw a fit. But we're about
We
to
get
like,
what
make
we get.
some
We
bank.
don't throw a fit. That's awesome.
We're gonna make some bank, man.
We got some buying pressure down here right now.
Are any of you guys familiar with the term like seek and destroy?
Seek and destroy. Is that
Somewhat.
what you said, Zeke?
Yeah, so looking at like the past 4 sessions that we've had, it looks kind of like a seek and destroy kind of like session. Like we've only just been like ranging and then we're just taking out like certain points of liquidity and moving back and forth. So if we were to continue that, I would assume we'd try to go lower. Just repeat the same cycle of just pushing down and then going back up.
Yeah. And that's also just like a trivia tidbit. on on the first Metallica album, that was a song.
Oh, really? Seek and Destroy?
Yep.
Get
I
ready to
did not
tap
know
that VWAP. There's the VWAP tab right through it. Let's see how we react since we went through it here.
Like pure Metallica in those days, you know what I mean?
Now we're above the VWAP. Your boy would like to see a flag. I would like to see a flag at this
Duane
point.
would like to see a flag.
Come on, Betsy.
There you go. Come on. Let's do it. Let's roll.
Mikey, they changed their rules. Where now it's a little bit easier. There's no more MAE rule, but on all their accounts, they now have the soft reach stop limit, where if you hit it, you're locked out of trading that account for the day.
But I get that isn't necessarily a bad thing because it kind of protects you from yourself, right?
No, 100%. It's just like the growth accounts with Tradeify.
Yeah. But you're saying the only difference is they raise how much you need to make on a trading day for it to count?
Yeah, they moved it up to like 250 from 150, so they added extra $100 in there.
Oh, I'd want this 5-minute candle to close in the next 2 minutes below 57. Like right here, but it's kind of rejecting a little bit. Technically today the NQ is the strongest indices if we are going to be shorting, so that's kind of the tough thing, unfortunately. It's not the weakest is what I'm trying to say. Usually you want to go with the weakest, which today's actually weakest is the Dow.
My bad, BP. I'm trying to do this.
Oh, you're totally good. The ES is about to seek out London's low, and the NQ is halfway there.
Let me see.
The 5-minute candle's getting lower, baby.
I would like to see a flag.
Wayne would like to see a flag.
So ES has swept out London's lows, and we need NQ to follow suit.
Well, NQ is moving down.
Get on down.
There we go. Oh, I'm starting to aggravate myself. I'm trying to do something. I keep clicking off, thinking it's done.
Hey, so Duane, is that villa that you're gonna rent? Does it have like a pool and all that stuff?
Yep, it has a pool. It's overlooking the water in Portugal at the end of the world. All right, I need us to build a bear flag here, which would be really nice.
But as soon as you said that, the 2-minute flipped. It was like it was starting, and then you said it, and it's like, meh, meh.
All right, so next time I'm just gonna stay quiet, so that way it doesn't know.
Well, what you need to do is you need to have 2 flags that you can hold up on the stream. I want this, and then you point at it.
People will, unless the next, we have like 2 minutes and like 30 seconds for this candle to flush London low. If it doesn't, hopefully the next one will flush it. If not, then that could be a sign we might want to try to build back up for something.
I'm coming. I know the screen's black, folks. I know the screen's black. I'm setting up another copy trade here on some Lucid accounts. We woke up the monster yesterday. I'm not going to lie to y'all. But Tradeify, I will only rotate until I get like super confident in the copy trading. Let's give me a flag. Let's give me a flag because I feel like we want to test the low of this 15-minute range.
Yeah, hey, and BP, I found like a 50% off code for Lucid. I posted it in the discussion in the group.
Oh, really? Cool.
Just showing respect to my fellow traders. My family.
Oh, you know what's actually really cool about Lucid? I had this eval that I completely like had been like just getting it chopped up. Like I'd go up and then I go down and then go up and then go down. But anyway, the 30 days came, right? And I expected to get charged for it, and I found out that Lucid actually doesn't do subscriptions. One time.
Yep, no, it's just a one time.
Yeah, and then you either pass it or you blow it.
It looks cool. So.
Which honestly, I was like, how are they making money? There's like no subscriptions, right? Like.
Well, it's interesting because somebody could buy it and be like scared of it, like a new kitchen appliance, and not really trade it. It's like, but I guess the numbers, now people are going to be blowing it. Come on, let's go to the bottom, baby.
Spokesperson. I woke up late and then I saw that there was this possibility for the short, but I just didn't take it.
You gotta trust yourself, bro.
Are you setting up a next trade or are you just watching?
Well, I guess I just don't know where my entry would be anymore. That's like where I feel weird about it, because I know that I was thinking about getting in at a 57, and I should have just done it, but.
Well, we'll take that 690 on 2 accounts right there with Lucid. We'll gladly take that.
W's.
Let me see if it actually copy traded properly. Let's see how much the slippage was.
Here we go, y'all. We're 6 points away from London low. Oh, we flushed it.
Oh, that's not bad. 690 on the first one, 640, 650 on the other one. A little bit of slippage, but the market is moving quick. So we just went through that pivot point as well. Ooh. Actually, let me come back over here. I think one of my Tradify accounts today, I only did like $100. Which one? That one's good. Do I add to that one? Yeah, we'll add. What's up, Brett? Good morning, sir. So first target to the low side here. First target to the low side is 915.25. 915.25. Let's see if we build out a flag right here. Take it lower. I want to say below this pivot. I want to say below this pivot for this flag. Oh, I shouldn't have said that on the microphone. The market makers may hear that. He said below the pivot. Let's rip it. And we're above the pivot. Man.
Yeah, but the candle isn't closed yet, so.
No, I know.
So he wanted to take a short reversal.
Come on, Betsy. Alt Street Official. I'm doing good, bro. How about yourself? Hopefully you're living the dream today, bro. Staying safe in these wild markets.
That 5-minute wick is pretty out there.
Like, I'm looking at this. Where's my mouse? Once it loads, there we go. I'm kind of torn right here because it could try doing a bear flag, but we could also try printing a bull flag right here as well. Let me just put that line down there.
There's a button you could hit for each of them.
This is the Nasdaq trading on the 2-minute time frame. That's in the 5-minute. That's what you guys are looking at. We got less than a minute on this 2-minute candle here. Let's see what the next candle's going to be. I have a sneaky suspicion it's going to be a green candle.
Bear flag, a slightly bear flag on the 2 minute.
Yeah, I'm looking at that, but I feel like this is, since we had that wick down there, this may be where they try like pushing up. Potentially. Tom, you can't hear anything? Test.
It's right at the Camarilla pivot right there, like the support 3 on the 2 minute.
Mic check.
You sound perfect here.
Yeah, Tom, that it got to be you, bro. All right, so we did pop up. I was unbelievable. I was looking away trying to make sure my audio is working, and we popped above my yellow line. So I need, how much I need left on this account? Let me get my calculator out here.
Duane's getting out his abacus.
All right, so I need $600 left on this account for this account to be funded. I got stopped out on 3 of my Apex accounts because I was copy trading them. So I can't trade those till tomorrow. Up in 2 other Apex accounts. And up in 2 Lucid accounts as well. So the joys. Less than 10 seconds now for the next candle. Feel like we may try building a bull flag right here. Move that line up. Come on, pump it. There we go. I think I just hit it. I think I just hit that one too right there. Let me double check. 2563 now. Let me check what I needed on my Tradeify dashboard to confirm. I was already 34% consistency.
Five-minute candle's about to close in 10 seconds.
So perfect. That's another funded account right there just added. We'll take that. Ka-chow. That's good. And this one I would need, that's 300. I need to add 1,100 to this account to get this one passed. Raven, yes, I do. But if you trade with prop firms, you get the real-time data on Trade-Evate and Ninja Trader.
My workaround is having the brokerage account because I get the same thing for free.
Yep. Like, I slightly want to take another trade on this account, but I'm like, do I? That's the $1 million question.
That is a lot of money.
I believe we just took London Loan and just immediately went up. It's like truly the seek and destroy.
We're seeking and destroying everybody. No, I'm playing. Stop losses are getting hit today, boys. Let's see if we build a flag right here. Stay above this 21 EMA. I want the flag above the 21. We are in the middle, close to the middle of the 15-minute range as well, so do not diddle in the middle, folks. Hey, go ahead, Iz. So Izzy, you made sure you were set for the payout, correct? Want to make sure, bro. I'm excited for you, bro. Your boy's excited for you. What's your total? Well, you don't have to tell me. Just remember, on the select flex accounts with Tradeify, you can request 50% of your balance, up to a $3,000 max payout. So if you're trying to take a 3K payout, that means you need to have at least $6,000 in your account. But if you have like 3,000, that means you could take out 1,500. But your drawdown becomes what you have left in your account. So keep that in mind. But definitely take that payout, bro. Happy for you once again.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah, you can take 50%. But a payout's a payout. Okay, that's solid, bro. You got 4,600 in your account. First off, good job for you base hitting. So you can literally take out $2,300, bro. Do it. That's awesome. I'm excited to see you post that in the community, your payout certificate. When you get that, post your payout certificate, bro. Everyone will be proud of you, happy for you, because you just started this. And the fact that you're literally following the system to a T and you're getting that result speaks for itself.
You think we going up or we going down?
BP, honestly, like I have nothing but love for you, right?
Yeah.
I got no freaking clue. I had to make it seem more dramatic. You know what I'm saying?
When he starts monologuing about love, we're in trouble.
Oh.
Well, so right here, I just moved my lines up, right? So we pop above this yellow line, I'm taking the long. If we pop below on the next candle, this yellow line, I'm taking it short. And that's how the cookie crumbles. This is looking like a bull flag.
That's how the dominoes will fall.
but we got this 21 EMA. I want to get above that in the middle of the 15-minute range where I don't diddle. So I may honestly be hands off. I passed two accounts today with Tradeify, and I'm like, I've been base hitting the other accounts with Tradeify as well. So I'm like, do I try pushing a little bit on this account right here and try getting this pass today as well, or and make it a three-peat today, or what? All right, this may be trying to do a bear flag here. Let's go through my yellow line with momentum, though. I'm not trusting the bear flag play only because of the 5-minute. Only because of that 5-minute look it has right now. But we're like stuck right below the middle of the 15-minute range in this 21 EMA, so I'm trading the Nasdaq, Papa. I'm the Papa. If we could get above this middle of this 15-minute range, clear out this previous candle selling wick, we got that VWAP up there that I would be trying to target. But still got that selling pressure. I'm using two laptops right now. So I got a 2-minute over here on my Mac, and then over here it's the screen that you guys are seeing. So I do all my charting on TradingView, and I execute my trades on NinjaTrader. Let's see if we get the follow through. Uh, 12 p.m. in stream. No, I'm getting off at 11, Brett. Just aggravated myself too. I tried, we popped up above my yellow line. I took it and then instantly got rejected. I have no clue what we got rejected on either. We came close to that VWAP that I was targeting too. That's the sad part.
The only thing I could think of is we're like sitting inside this 5-minute gap and just kind of wicking.
Yeah, and I took it right above the middle of the 15-minute range, and somewhere where we should not diddle in the middle.
Yeah, I feel like I want to take something, but I'm not like exactly confident right now because like we've already taken all my high confluences.
Yeah.
Which is like session liquidities. Yeah, I think I'm here to hang. I am closing out.
So just put 440 back in right there. I'm going to try cleaning this account up a little bit. It's an eval, so we tap that VWAP. I want us to get through that VWAP. You gotta kind of love risk, Papa, if you're a trader, because we're all taking risks each and every day we click the button. Are we getting ready to build like a little bull flag right underneath? Price is currently above the VWAP. I would like to see a flag.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I want to see some good momentum too here. Come on, Betsy.
Are we all up or are we all down? What's
I'm
happening?
up. I'm up.
Up.
What we got in here? Hi, BP, what's good? And
Up,
Brad,
man.
Yep, we got the captain in the chat today.
let's go.
His bad self.
Carmona and Sylvester. What's up, guys? Yeah, I haven't taken a trade yet today, mainly because I'm waiting on an email from Take Profit Trader to get back to me on what the heck, if his account, it says I'm past, like, because I reached the numbers, right?
Yeah.
53,000. But they didn't send me an email. They didn't send me nothing.
They're slow, bro. Sometimes they are slow.
Sometimes you have to wait for market close, and then it counts it as official.
Yeah, see, that was yesterday. Like, right after we got off here, I passed. I was like, dang, let's go. 24 hours later, we still waiting.
Yeah, I would definitely just like have contacted their support because usually they should have sent you an email by then, and then you would have been able to pay to activate, or if it was a non-activated account, no activation account, then you wouldn't have to pay. You just
I got the no fee 40 thing.
Yeah, make sure you, because I accidentally one time
you said
because
no fee 40. That's you said Take Profit Trader or Top Step?
Yeah, Take
Take
Profit.
Profit.
You don't have to
Take
pay
Profit.
the activation fee.
Okay, gotcha. I thought you said Top Step in my head.
Oh heck no. I left them after the last big crash they had in like November.
Oh yeah, December. Yeah, that was bad.
Yeah. Brandon, you were gonna
Happened in
say something
November, too.
before?
I accidentally, because they move so slow, I think I'm getting ready to blow this eval here. Just blew it.
Damn.
It happens, and it's my own fault, boys. It's my
It
own
was
fault.
green at one point. That's how it was green at one point.
I know. I was trying to push. I need like $1,100 more to
Shit.
pass it. I'm like, you know what? Let me just try. But on Take Profit Trader,
Mhm.
one time, because they're moving so slow, I accidentally paid for it. Even though I did a no fee 40,
Mhm.
like I still paid for it.
Dang.
And they're we'll credit you. That credit never came.
Bruh, give me that refund is what I'm saying.
That credit never came.
That's crazy.
I've had an incident that wasn't exactly like that, but I bought like 2 accounts on accident. I just told them like they just took it off my account, refunded me.
Yeah, these boys need to move at the speed of Lucid. That'd be nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
Lucid's
only takes
quick.
like 2-3 hours.
Nah, it's like 15 minutes.
Lucky.
Like legit, the one time that I like full ported and held a trade. I mean, I was only like 3 contracts, but you know, held a trade and passed the eval in like 30 minutes. It was just a gradual stair stepper to the downside, and within 15 minutes, the way it was funded. I was like, man, this is great.
Brad said he waited 2 days, Mitch. He had to wait 2 days one time for his TPT account.
Oh my gosh, 2 days?
Yeah, 2 days.
Sounds like an eternity. Not actually, but you know, feels like it.
Papa, did I get nailed? No. Because I know what I did. I was trying to push. Me getting nailed is not me knowingly. And I told myself, am I willing to push? I'm like, yeah, because I just passed 2 funded accounts today. So that's why I was willing to risk a little bit more, only because I know I passed two more Tradify accounts. My batting percentage is pretty decent. I'll just leave it at that. Tomorrow, well, tonight, last night of the week, having the traders hang out here locally. The next trader hangouts after tonight will be in San Antonio. And with that being said, tomorrow morning stream, we will be streaming from the airport. So I'm gonna get to the airport early so I can get everything set up for our stream, but it may not be the same level like it is here because I'm gonna be in the freaking airport. How much am I up? I'll have to add everything up, Brett. Haven't even done that yet. And tomorrow night's Traders Hangout, we'll be sitting overlooking the Riverwalk in San Antonio for the Traders Hangout. Because I got a patio for the hotel I got overlooking the Riverwalk. So should be fun. Oh,
BP actually got a hotel room overlooking your hotel room that also overlooks the Riverwalk.
Wow.
is.
I told you it was a secret, man. You're not supposed to tell them.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, bro.
What happened?
Oh, he thought he was trading his other account, but he was trading his funded, and he blew it.
Wait, what?
Oh, damn.
Who did that?
Like, that hurts my heart. That honestly hurts my heart.
Oh,
It hurts my heart for you.
Who blew funded?
Huh?
What happened?
So he was going to be requesting a payout today at 5:30.
Mm-hmm.
He got another account so he could trade today. He put money in it, whatever. And then I'm not the one there, but he accidentally took a trade on his funded and blew it.
Damn. Sorry, bro. That's
When he was literally going to be taking a payout today. I've been there. I've done that. It sucks. Because you already spent that money in your head. You're like, you know what? I'm going to buy this. I'm going to pay that. I'm going to get me some more evals. Yeah, that hurts. That hurts. Oh, 100% is. You did it once, you can do it again, bro. You got this. With Lucid, you had to trade it for 3 days, right? The eval?
no. Depends on which one you get.
The flex.
Flex is
Pretty sure it's 2 days. I think it's 50 per
yeah.
second.
It's like 2 or 3 days.
It's only 2 days? Okay.
Yeah, I think with Pro it's 1 day.
Yeah, pro is for 1 day.
Because I'm debating, like right now, I just got the 2 accounts. I'm copy trading them. I'm up 683 on them.
Is anybody thinking about full porting on Friday?
Full port Friday, baby.
Dude, if I can get my accounts up and running, that'd be great.
I may full port tomorrow. Who knows? From the airport.
Well, no, people usually do it on evals, to be fair. And they do it so that way they can get an instant funded account for free, basically. What they'll do is they'll get a 1 day pass account on one of the firms, and then they'll do the NFP method where you like set up limit orders above and below price, and then whenever price opens, it just ricochets in one direction, enters you, and instantly hits your TP. It works 80% of the time, so like there's a 20% chance you're gonna mess it up. So just keep that in
Hey, I'll
mind.
take those odds.
I'll take those odds.
I'm not a gambling man, but you know.
Maybe it's more of like 75%.
Okay.
Like 1 out of 4 tries will not work.
Maybe I'll opt out then. The lower that percentage goes, I'm gonna back up.
Your odds are still pretty good. It's 3-4. It was 4-5, 4 out of 5, but now it's 3 out of 4.
I feel you, bro. I feel you. I wanted to cry at 1.2 when I was same day. I need $100 for a payout. I ended up going on tilt, blowing the whole account on a funded before. I was so mad at myself. But you got this, bro. You got this.
Nah, he's the minis king, man.
Well, that works. Just add some more right there. So many rules? No. No, Anthony. I only do minis. Your boy cannot do micros. It doesn't get me excited to trade. Micros do not get me excited to trade.
You could do full port micros.
You might as well trade minis.
Yeah, at that point you might as well trade minis because you're gonna pay like way more in fees. I think it's wait, I gotta check my math.
Well, has anybody actually done the math about like when it's
Yeah.
just like the fee? It gets so fee heavy because I've traded them on the Sims and it's like, hey, this is great, but then you trade them on a live account and it's like you're giving most of the money back just for fees after a certain point. So that's what gets me.
When you say live account, do you mean like on a broker, or are you talking about like still with the prop?
Well, a broker or like on a prop.
I think with a broker they do charge differently for micros. Like some props some brokers actually charge the same amount that they do for minis as micros. So like, let's say you did 10, right? It would end up being like basically like 10 times as much because of the fact that one mini is a 10th of the fees as 10 micros.
Well, and then you know, and some of the brokers, as you well know, it's like you can pay like a monthly fee depending on your thing to service the account or a lifetime, and then we'll cut your per trade commission.
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
All right, so what did I get here? Let me see how the copy trader's working. Just added over $400 to these two accounts.
He's balling.
No, I want to say balling.
Oh, listen.
See, so that's weird. So on that one, because it was such a quick trade, on one, I'm up to 1,000. The other one, I'm at 770. Like it didn't have even enough time to get in.
Fine.
I'll probably play around with the Tradevate copy trader as well. See which one has less slippage. I'm sure the Tradevate would have less, probably. So let's see if I base hit that bad boy. Yeah, so potentially next Thursday, Friday. Well, we'll say next Friday. Next Friday, I'll take a payout from Tradeify. I'm gonna shoot for like a 4K payout.
Let's go.
For next Friday. Let's see if that added to that account as well. Looking at the slippage account. Okay, now it's at 850. I honestly think I'm gonna be getting ready to jump off here.
Same here. 950. 950, man, for the day. That's it for me, man.
You've been doing okay, man. You've been kind of quiet lately. You good?
That's all my funded.
Nice, bro.
Nice work.
Yeah, man. Oof. Yeah, that's it. When this market is moving, I'm like, man, I'm sitting there about to beat my head in. Yeah. But nah, I feel bad for what's his name. Oh my god.
Is?
Yeah. Man, my stomach hurt for him right now.
Have a good one, Brett.
Yeah, that's just
My
fun.
stomach hurts
Out
right
in there,
now.
like you're trading one account and you're trading like the other.
No,
account.
that happened to me. That happened to me before too.
It happened to me too.
You just gotta look. You gotta.
Oh yeah.
Before
You always need to reconfirm. Always reconfirm.
Yeah. Because that one time that happened to me, and I was just like, oh god, it just like.
Yeah.
Market still look like it's doing nothing. Oh, I just walk away.
Live to see another day.
Right.
As painful as it is.
That's my problem. If I try to try to jump in, that money be gone.
I feel that.
All right, I think I'm gonna be done trading as well. Just add some more to that account.
Same here, man.
On these Lucid accounts.
Sneaky.
All right, fellas. I'm actually gonna skedaddle as well. I gotta get ready. I'm gonna go have lunch with
Oh,
my
he's
girlfriend.
skedaddling. He's about to
Well,
frolic in the world.
Enjoy your lunch, bro. And I'm counting down the days to see you, fam. We're gonna have some fun.
Yeah, hopefully I'm not too boring.
No, never too boring. Never too boring.
Dwayne, you're gonna have to prepare yourself because his voice probably won't sound the same on the mic as it does in person.
I'm gonna tell him to talk to me on the phone and sitting in front of me, so it sounds like the captain. You know what I'm saying? Well, all right, guys. Market makers for the legacy. Love y'all. Have a great rest of your day.
Same here, man. Love you too.
Yeah,
guys.
Take care.
love you guys.
Appreciate y'all, boys.
Enjoy your days.
Have a good day, boys.
All right,
Yeah.
fellas.
Y'all.
All right, YouTube. It's just us. It's just us now. Well, hopefully you had a solid day today in the markets. Honestly, base hitting will get you the payouts, folks. Tonight, we have the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and that notification button so you know when we go live each and every day. Stay safe in the markets, folks, and I will catch y'all tonight. Be blessed, everyone.